And this is coral honeysuckle. Native honeysuckle vine to the Midwest. Lonicera sempervirens, not to be confused with the shrub honeysuckle, the non-native invasive plant brought over from Asia, or the other Asian honeysuckle, Lonicera japonica, Japanese honeysuckle vine. One key distinguishing factor between the native vine and the non-native invasive vine, the native plant has these leaves, these terminal leaves that wrap around the entire stem. See that very distinctly here in a couple of examples. You look across the plant, and I do not remember the technical word for that phenomenon of, again, a leaf that completely encloses the stem. What that also reminds you of is this plant's flowers are only on the terminal ends of each stem. So the native plant's flowers are only on the terminal end. The non-native, the Japanese honeysuckle vine, has flowers up and down the stem. But we have started to see the flowers open just this week. We noticed the first flowers just a couple days ago. Which is great timing as our ruby-throated hummingbird started to arrive in the region. It's been reported with more frequency in the last week or so. We're really happy with this. And like all vines, if you're going to embark upon gardening with vines, and they can be really neat plants, this is a pretty significant woody vine. Whatever you do with your vines, it is very wise to put them on a structure, to a trellis, an arbor, a pergola, some physical structure where you're going to manage them, because otherwise the vines will do what they do, which is aggressively grow. They will typically grow faster than almost any other plant in your landscape. They will grow on top of other structures in landscape and plants, and probably wear out their welcome. So do yourself and the plants a favor, and the wildlife that depends on these plants. And when gardening with a vine, give them a structure and manage them for that structure. Happy gardening.